Hey, what's up and welcome to Lane Productions. Today's going to be another fishing product video. We're going to be going over the FitStill Jaws Flex clamp mount. Okay, so as I said before, this is the FitStill Jaws Flex clamp mount with 19 section gooseneck, flexible gooseneck. So this is perfect for what I need on my boat. It doesn't come in a box, it just kind of came in a bag. In the past, I've had my little GoPro Hero 5 here, my old one that does pretty well, but I had it kind of unsecurely mounted, like on different things on the boat, like on the back of a seat or on a cooler or whatever, on a little clamp that's kind of on the side of the boat, and it wasn't very secure. A couple times I actually almost lost this camera in the water. One time lost a fish because of it. Anyway, so I've been looking for something as we get closer to the fishing season and spring to hold my GoPro a little bit more steady. I have a chest mount that I have to be able to be on my chest so you can kind of see when I'm casting, but I wanted another angle from a different part of the boat. And so I went ahead and picked this thing up, and it comes pretty much as you see it. Like, I went ahead and put stuff together. I'm not going to sit there and go over how to put GoPro mounts on and stuff like that. Hopefully if you're interested in stuff like this, you already have a GoPro and they're fairly easy to work. So this is really cool. It's $19.99. It's got this little rubberized grip that you can actually tighten right here and make it a little tighter so that it fits more snug on whatever it's holding. You can literally put this on any surface, you know, and so I plan on just kind of setting it on the side of my boat. And then you have your GoPro kind of accessories and whatnot. So we'll just kind of screw this in here. Okay, so anyway, like I was saying, is what you run into with any kind of third-party stuff that's not GoPro is some stuff fits a little tighter than others, but for the most part, they all kind of work the same. I've been pretty impressed with this so far. It'll literally be however you want it to be, and that's what's great about it, is if I can kind of hang it out over the water and get a shot like this, where I might be standing over it and cast over it or whatever, or I can have it sitting like this, so you can get a really close angle on a fish that I'm bringing in, something like that. You know, it's pretty versatile, pretty cool. So yeah, there's not much to it. It has 4.5 stars, 149 ratings on it, $19.95. I think that's my daughter. I think it's a pretty good buy. And if you have a GoPro, even an old one that you're looking at trying to mount on anything, bike, whatever, this would fit on a bike handle too, I would assume. It's pretty cool, $19.95. Now I'm actually recording with my iPhone right now, but I also bought this one. This one actually costs more than the other one. This one's $19.99. It's a Jaws Flex Clamp smartphone mount with adjustable gooseneck, 13 sections, so it's not quite as big, but it's pretty much the same project. It's pretty much the same product. Probably a different company. I don't actually see a company on here, but it again says that it fits all standard GoPro stuff, and what I have on right here is just a phone mount. And this is kind of cool, the phone mount that came with it, because it allows you to even kind of turn this. I don't know how I feel about putting my phone hanging out over anything. So if I hung this, I will use this on the boat, but this will kind of sit. Oh, it will not be hanging over the water. Let's just put it that way. But I did want to mention this one too. You know, it's the same deal. I don't want to make a big deal out of nothing here, but you know, I've got my old phone in there and I really don't care about it. Yeah, it's got a little bit of versatility too, and you can record with your phone and your GoPro. This was $19.99. This only has 4 stars, so I don't know what the 4 stars would be about there. But yeah, just wanted to talk about these two products real quick. And like I said, as we get closer to the fishing season, I can't wait to go out. Today, I live in Ohio, and today it started snowing again. So, you know, I don't know. Yeah, just wanted to talk about these real quick. You might want to consider going out and getting them. If you got a John boat or a kayak or anything like that, these will connect to anything on there. And if you're looking at getting some good shots at catching fish, or I don't know, whatever, then this would be a good product to pick up. All right, so that's all I got. I wanted to keep this video short. Both of these good products, cost you 40 bucks to get both of them, or $20. So I would go with this one over that one. So anyway, yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe if you want more content like this. All right, see you next time.